Alrighty, it is January 10th, and it is 9:12 in the morning right now. It's Saturday, and I want to do another garden tour video and for the indoor garden here for everybody. This time it's not snowing, it's sunny, but it's very cold. It's like 20 degrees. Um, Excuse the noise. I have the robot vacuum cleaning the upstairs now. I don't have it cleaning the whole upstairs, just the living room, kitchen, dining room, kitchen. Then and it's currently doing the kitchen right now. Then it's gonna go over here, do this area, then it's gonna do the foyer and then the hallway, and that will be it. I don't need it to clean anywhere else. But I want to do an updated garden tour for inside the indoor garden tour because there's a few changes that happened, quite a few different ones. Um, I think I had this plant stand in the last update. Because, yeah, I did. But I had repotted a plant in my bedroom, the bear's paw, and we also had to take my dad's work. He's going back to his office, so he wanted some plants there, so he took a couple of plants. And he has some cool ones there, but there's this golden pothos here. We had two of them. The really good looking one was right here. This one that you're seeing now was right here, but then we moved it here because we took the other one to the office. This one will hopefully start to look better. It was the one that got too much sun because he's like full shade, but it was getting too much sun, so it doesn't look as good, but it's starting to perk back up. Here's the sticker for it. And he took a star cactus. I had him take one of the star cactuses and the little succulent thing that was over here in the dining room. So if you remember in the last one the other day ago I made, I think right here, you can just saw the label for it. It was right here somewhere with a star cactus. And I did also move some plants around. And I also got new trays yesterday at Walmart right here. And I got that bug thing, catch bugs, because there are some flying gnats around from the soil and stuff. So hopefully that will work. And yeah. And then I'll show you the plants in my room too. But I think I had moved some stuff around and moved this around. So yeah, before we get to that, I'll show you you can see the robots doing the corridor area now. This area here, and then it will do the corridor there. And for some reason I have it separated. But one thing about this golden pothos that I just learned yesterday, my dad told me, because like if you look at a lot of the vines, they have all this like vine and then leaves at the end, kind of. So yeah, there's all that vine, and then basically there's a lot of like strands that have all these long hanging vines with no leaves until you get to the very end. And so he told me that he had replanted a bunch in here, so he cut the vine and then cut it to where the leaves were and then replanted it in here, and it started new plants. So I didn't even know that, but there's basically 3 different plants in here now, and they're all golden pothos. They're all the same one, so that's pretty cool. Maybe he could show me how to do it, because I didn't even know how to do that. But he cut some, and then we could even make a new whole plant in a different pot like that. That'd be cool. But yeah, here's the golden pothos here. I'll show you that one first. And then here's the Kalanchoe and this Yoda thing. That one looks pretty happy. And then here's the sugar vine, which this one's doing okay, but it's not as good as it was, and it's kind of, I think, too big for this pot. We don't have another hanging basket, but when we get another one, we'll probably repot it and maybe it'll look better. I'll go ahead and show you the plants over here. Yeah, I'll show you the plants over here real quick. So here's the common dandelion. They're in here, there's seeds. I'm hoping they'll come up soon. It says they're like partial sun. So maybe they'll come up soon. It takes 7 to 21 days to germinate. I probably planted them like a little over a week ago. So so maybe coming up. And then this one is the Easter cactus. right here. And there's the plant. It's doing good. I got a little funny little pea pod thing there. You can see the Easter cactus is doing good. And here's the spider plant Vitatum that I replanted, or repotted. It likes full shade, and yes, I have it by the window, but it can tolerate partial sun. It's not gonna, it's not like, and plus it's winter time and the sun is on that side because that way is south, so it doesn't even get a lot of sun here anyways, like direct sun. It just gets like light. In the summertime, maybe if it gets too much, I could probably move it down there. But for now, it's doing good, despite a plant Vitatum. And yeah, I repotted it and it's looking good still. And then here's the, this kind of isn't all weird, but there's the sand rose. And I repotted this a few weeks ago, maybe even a month ago. And it's doing good still. It's kind of all scattered looking, but the sand rose that likes partial sun, it's doing good. You can see it's going down a little bit, so that's cool. A little strand there, a couple there. And then here's the aloe vera, likes partial sun. That one's huge and it's got a whole bunch in there. I might have to repot it or separate them or something, because there was only one in here and it was like as big as that one there. It was like literally this big, and now there's like a whole bunch in there and they're huge. So I'll have to figure out something. Here's the polka dot begonia. It likes partial sun. It's looking good so far. I think it's gonna get new leaves there. I think it's looking pretty good. Some of the leaves look a little jacked up. This one I got on clearance before Christmas. At Walmart, and then before they threw them away or did whatever to put them on, because they put them on clearance and I don't know what they do with them after, but I just know I came back the next day and it was gone, and there was like Christmas cactus and those type of trees, that Norfolk Island pines, I had a bunch of those. And so I got that one on clearance, and I think I got this money tree on clearance, and I have repotted that one. And I also got, what else did I get? I think the Raven ZZ plant and the regular ZZ plant I think I also got, but I can't remember for sure. But yeah, here's the polka dot begonia. And here's the lucky bamboo. It likes partial sun. It's not looking all that great like it was. I did put it in soil because I wanted it to get a bigger pot. The old pot it was in was just water and rocks, and it was tiny. It was that one right there with the ear things. So I was hoping maybe it would grow better. We'll see what happens. And then here's one of the poinsettias. It likes full sun. There's a sticker for it. And it's doing okay. And then there's the money tree. Likes partial sun. This one I repotted a few days ago, and it's starting to come back. Hopefully. Looking okay. So it kind of looks the same still, but maybe it will grow better. They have these at Walmart. This one I got on clearance. It didn't look all that good, but I got it at Walmart, and they have other ones that look a lot better now that all the Christmas stuff is gone. And then, but maybe this one I can get to look nice and better soon. And then here's the ZZ plant. It likes partial sun, and it's doing good. And then here's the polka dot plant. It likes partial sun. It's doing okay. It was all nice, but there's just that one, and then there's this one too. But you can see that one's looking all cool looking. And then here's the Raven ZZ plant. It likes full shade. It's got those green ones there too, but the rest are black leaves, which are cool. And this was the old pot that the bear's pot was in, which I had repotted that into a bigger pot. So I'll show you that when I get to my room. And here's the pineapple plant. Likes full sun. There's the sticker for it. But it's not looking all that great, and I don't know. They have them at Walmart and they look better. I might just throw this one away, but we'll see what happens. It's just kind of been like that for a while. And then here's the variegated green pinwheel plant. Likes full sun. And it's doing super good, super happy. And yeah, it's got all those little sprouts there and the new ones. But they look really cool. And then here's the Norfolk Island pine. It likes partial sun, and it's doing good. Got buds there, maybe new growth. So yeah, there's all of those. See the backyard? We have like no snow this year. This one just been sucky. There's Lexi. And I also haven't talked about it in the videos yet, but I have like maps of the, I have this website that I've been, called Smart Draw. I've been making floor plans and stuff. And this is a map of this house, my dad's house that we're in, and I've made it like a floor plan showing all the smoke alarms and the lights and the vents and the outlets and all that. Basically, I'll make it face where, so here's the kitchen and dining and all that, the doors. So basically I'm standing right here. That's the counter right here, and that's the counter, and then there's the dining room where the plants are. I think it's pretty cool. It's a little small and blurry, but there's the legend there. The smoke alarm, smoke alarm, smoke alarm, smoke alarm. That one's the one I replaced in my room. And that's the office, foyer, garage, laundry room, master bedroom, master bathroom, closet, no, that's just a regular bathroom. And the living room, which is here. And then this is the basement, but this is if it were finished. So I'll get to that. But as of now, I'll show you the plants in my room. So, and I'll show you the bear's paw. So here's the bear's paw. I repotted it last night. You can see it's nice and sunny out here. The things are dancing there. I had to move and kind of crowd them a little bit. But yeah, you can see the bear's paw. It seems to be looking good, and I had it face this way. And it's in this bigger pot here. And it's doing good. And then here's the sticker for it. It likes full sun. And I've just been watering it a lot, but I think it's good now. So yeah, hopefully it'll start doing better, looking better. And then here's the other poinsettia. It likes full sun. And then it's got those red leaves on there, which I think it's interesting that's getting those. And then here's the Kalanchoe. It likes full sun. That's the other one we have here. And that cute little pot. And then here's the Janet Craig corn plant. It likes partial sun. And then up here is the flamingo lily. It likes full shade. It's doing good. And here's the spider plant, Vidatum. It likes full shade. That's the other one, and I repotted that. And I'll go ahead and shut this one off. And then here's the peyote cactus. I stepped on one of Lexi's toys. Here's the peyote cactus. It likes partial sun. And then the lemon lime corn plant likes partial sun. That one's doing good. It's doing good. Here's the star cactus. Likes partial sun. That's the one we still have, and I want to repot that one also. I was going to put it in a different pot that's bigger. And then here's the silver ball cactus. The sticker's kind of hard to see, but it's got a yellow sticker. It likes full sun. And then there's the Gasteria Flow. And the sticker for it is like somewhere in that little, I think it, oh, it's right there. It got crushed. I moved the bear's paw on it, but Gasteria Flow is that one. It likes full sun. And here's the Florida Kalanchoe. It likes partial sun. It's doing good. And then here's the zonal geranium. It likes full sun. And it's in here. And it's also over here too, kind of. That vine over there, it looks really cool. Getting buds on there. And I think there's like a little dandelion in there too. So that's cool. And then here's the two-colored Madagascan dragon tree. Likes full sun. And it's doing good. It's got all those. And it's doing good. Here's the heart of Jesus. It likes partial sun. And it's got those pretty leaves. And those ones look really cool. And here's the wintergreen. Likes partial sun. And it's got those new sprouts there, which look pretty cool. And then here's the Thanksgiving cactus. likes partial sun, and it's doing good. I don't think it's blooming anymore because, you know, it's January. And the Creeping Charlie likes partial sun. It's right over here doing good. And then you can see there's this here. And that's just a little storm glass thing. It's pretty cool to look at, and there's a key for it. And I believe that's all the plants. You can see those ones up there again. And those. And then also one thing I got some stuff at Walmart, you know, these old trays and stuff. And I also got these, I haven't set them up yet. I got these tray things that, or not these tray things, these, the label things you can get. And they go in there and they you can write what they are, which I thought was pretty cool. So we'll see how those look. But as of now, that's pretty much it for the garden tour. As you can see, it's doing good. Thank you for watching, and I hope you all enjoyed.